Upgrading your mountain bike can completely transform your ride, boosting performance and comfort on the trail. From lightweight components to advanced suspension technology, these 5 must-have upgrades are designed to help you tackle any terrain with confidence and precision. Let's take a look. The race-faced turbine wheels seem like a well-thought-out addition to a mountain bike, blending performance with durability. What stands out is how they handle both comfort and strength, which isn't always easy to balance. The distinct design of the rims, with compliance up front and extra strength in the back, feels practical for various terrains, whether you're on a mellow trail or sending it on more rugged descents. The quick engagement of the Volt hub also speaks to the precision and responsiveness mountain bikers crave, especially when the terrain gets technical. Anvil Edge is a clever touch, as it offers a real solution to those annoying pinch flats that can ruin a ride. Plus, the focus on durability with the inclusion of features like sealed bearings and tubeless readiness shows these wheels are built to last. Overall, the Turbine wheels seem like they offer a solid mix of control, comfort, and strength for anyone who takes their riding seriously. The Sram Eagle transmission system feels like a step forward in both durability and precision for mountain biking. The hangerless interface is particularly interesting because it eliminates the need for a derailleur hanger, simplifies the design, and improves shifting reliability by centering everything around the rear axle. The precision of the shifting is also impressive, thanks to the cassette mapping technology, which combines the mechanical elements with smart firmware to ensure smooth, uninterrupted gear changes. What's striking is the level of thought given to how the drivetrain handles under load. Whether you're climbing or powering through rough sections, the system is designed to deliver constant power transfer without slipping. The durability is another highlight, especially with features like the Magic Wheel, which prevents jams in the derailleur by letting the pulley continue spinning if something gets caught. Overall, the Eagle transmission gives off a sense of rugged reliability, built to withstand impacts and last over time, even for riders pushing their limits. The PMW component Loam pedals seem to hit that sweet spot every rider is after, a balance between grip and comfort that doesn't sacrifice performance. Their wide platform and no-fatigue footbed are designed to keep your feet stable and comfortable during long, demanding rides. The pedal's surface is equipped with 22 replaceable pins, giving just the right amount of grip without feeling locked in, allowing your feet to adjust naturally as you ride. Constructed from forged and CNC'd 6061 aluminum, these pedals promise durability while keeping things lightweight at 445 grams per pair. The sealed cartridge and roller bearings offer smooth rotation and add to the pedal's long-lasting reliability. What stands out most is how these pedals seem to embrace that just right zone, not too grippy, but not too loose, making them versatile for a range of trail conditions. With such thoughtful design, the Loam pedals are built to give riders confidence and comfort, whether hitting technical terrain or cruising flowy trails. The Lom Carbon Handlbar feels like it's built for those who crave control and comfort, even when the trail gets rough. Crafted from high-quality carbon, the bar is designed to reduce fatigue and absorb vibrations, thanks to its patent-pending CBD layout. This technology seems to strike a balance between flexibility and stiffness, offering a smooth ride without losing the responsive handling you need when navigating tight corners or technical sections. The geometry, with a 5 upsweep and 10 backsweep, seems thoughtfully designed for a natural, comfortable grip, helping to maintain control in all conditions. It's lightweight but tough enough for e-bikes and downhill runs, showing that it can handle a variety of riding styles without compromise. The unique cement gray color gives it a sleek look, with the option to add a personal touch through a decal kit. In all, the Lom Carbon bar seems to blend comfort and performance into a handlebar that's ready for any adventure. And lastly, the RockShox SIDLuxe Ultimate Flight Attendant Shock stands out as a finely tuned piece of technology, built to take cross-country performance to a new level. Its flight attendant system features a smart algorithm that constantly reads rider and terrain inputs to adjust the suspension on the fly. This 3-position compression system open, pedal, and lock promises maximum efficiency without any manual tweaking, letting riders focus entirely on the trail. What makes it even more appealing is how the system adapts over time, learning from the rider's style to make personalized decisions that improve speed and performance. The shock is fully integrated into the Sram AXS ecosystem, meaning it's cable-free and shares a battery with other AXS components, making for a streamlined setup. The sleek design, highlighted by the new Blue Crush Flight Attendant colorway, adds a touch of style to its high-performance engineering. With its lightweight construction and advanced adaptive technology, the SIDLuxe is built for riders looking to push their limits without sacrificing comfort or efficiency. That was our top 5 picks for the MTB upgrades you shouldn't miss. Hope you found the right one for yourself, and thanks for watching.